Um, for breakfast, I routinely make omelettes, basically using whatever is at hand. Now, yesterday, there's this delightful place called Nair on Fire in Mahim, which, as the name suggests, is a Keralite food place. So we ordered some grub from there, which included some pork chili fry, and I had some left over. So the pork chili fry has gone in, chopped up with some mushrooms into just the one egg. And this is about to become my pork chili fry omelette. And lest that was not enough, I'm going to add some cheese to it and make it even more interesting. So it's just the one egg, huh? Let me remind you that this is not a lot of eggs. This is just the one single egg. And like about a couple of spoonfuls of that pork chili. And now like a large tablespoonful of mozzarella cheese, which will quickly melt. Cover and cook for the briefest moment. I think the thing with omelettes is you use what you have, right? And there's absolutely no limit to what you can, whatever you imagine is worth putting. Absolutely, trust me on this. And leftovers work extremely well. Leftovers have been cooked already, so therefore they don't need a whole lot of additional cooking. The advantage of what I'm doing right now is that pork was well nigh fully cooked before it went in there, so I don't have to worry about undercooked meat. And the other protein, which is the mushroom, cooks in very little time. So all I'm going to do now is check the stage at which I can gently flip it. And once that happens, as I think it has now, fold it. Hi, Lax. It is interesting, but it won't comply with your dietary stipulations. So, but the point is this. Hi. Good morning. So the point, like I was making a bit earlier, was that an omelette is whatever you have available. There is no such thing as you necessarily have to worry about what ingredients will I need. Ingredients are what you have. Make what you have. Make an omelette with whatever it is that you have. So today this was what I had. I had some leftovers from a place called Nair on Fire, and which was this pork chili fry. And I had some mushrooms lying in the refrigerator. Hi Mukund, good to see you here. And now it's done. I'll show you. That's it. This is done. I don't need to do anything further. It's ready to eat. So, for the record, pork chili fry and mushrooms with mozzarella omelette is ready to be consumed. And I'm going to proceed to do exactly that. And Lux and Mukund, good to see you first thing in the morning. You have yourselves a splendid day. Lux, I'll make any amount of omelette for you. All you need to do is step across. And I will make you spinach omelettes, for instance. Palak goes extremely well with egg. And spinach and cheese work very well. So spinach and mozzarella work exactly as well as what I have made right now. And I would be privileged and delighted to cook it for you. And Mukund, by the way, that goes for you too. I mean, if you should find yourself back in Bombay one of these days, I'll make an omelette for you as well. So, gents, one last look at the omelette. That's what it looks like. And have yourselves a splendid day.